solid state. The fourth classification of the point defect is a Frankel defect. This Frankel defect arises when an ionic compound is missing from its regular lattice sites. Their ions of an ionic compound is missing from its regular sites and occupies interstitial position between the lattice point. In this Frankel defect, the cations are usually smaller than the anions. Therefore, the more common to find the cations occupying interstitial sites, because cations are usually smaller than the anions. It is easier for the smaller cations to accommodate the interstitial spaces. It is important to note that the smaller cations is displaced from its normal site to an interstitial space, because the cations are usually smaller than the anions and therefore they can lose their normal site and move to the interstitial space as shown in the figure. In this case, this is a normal site of this cation and this cation move to the interstitial position from this point to this point. Therefore, it creates the vacancy defect at its original position and interstitial defect at its new location in the same crystal. It is a combination of vacancy defect as well as interstitial defect in a same crystal. Hence, the Frankel defect can be regarded as the combination of vacancy defect and the interstitial defect. This is whole about the Frankel defect. Next point is the conditions for the formation of the Frankel defect. How the Frankel defect is formed? There are two conditions out of this. First is a Frankel defect occurs in the ionic compound with large difference between the size of the cations and anions. In this case, cations are smaller and anions are the larger. And the second, the ions of an ionic compound must have the low coordination number. The compounds containing the ions, these ions having the low coordination numbers. These are the two conditions for the formation of the Frankel defect. Next is the consequences of the Frankel defect. There are three consequences. First, as no ions are missing from the crystal lattice as a whole, the density of solid and its chemical properties remains unchanged. In this defect, there is ions are not missing from the crystal lattice and therefore they can be moved in the interstitial position within the crystal. Hence, density as well as chemical proportion of the crystal remains same, that is remains unchanged. Second point, the crystal as a whole remains electrically neutral because equal number of the cations and anions are present in the crystal. This defect is observed in zinc sulfide, silver chloride, silver bromide, silver iodide, calcium fluoride, etc. Next classification is impurity defect. In this impurity defect arises when the foreign atoms, that is the atoms of the different from the host atoms, are present in the crystal lattice. In the crystal, there is a different atoms of a different forms of the atoms are present in a crystal lattice, then this is called as an impurity defect. There are two kinds of the impurity defects. Two kinds of the impurity defect. First is a substitutional impurity defect, and second is a interstitial impurity defect. Out of these, first is a substitutional impurity defect. This substitutional impurity defect contains the foreign atoms are found at a lattice sites in the place of the first ions. Means in a regular atoms or the regular ions may be replaced by the foreign atoms or the ions. The regular atoms are displaced from their lattice sites by the impurity atoms as shown in the figure. For example, solid solution of the metals, alloys. The brass is an alloy of the copper and zinc. In this case, the copper atoms are replaced by the impurity of zinc atoms. Zinc atom occupies the regular sites of the copper atoms as shown in this figure. In this case, these red colored balls are the copper and the black color balls are the zinc. This regular site of this copper is replaced by the impurity of this zinc. Therefore, this is an example, that is the brass alloy is an example of the substitutional impurity defect. In this substitutional impurity defect, there is another point is a vacancy through aliovalent impurity. Aliovalent impurity means the vacancies are created by the addition of the impurities of the aliovalent ions, that is the ions, the oxidation state with the oxidation state different from that of the host ions to an ionic solid. Means the vacancy are created by the addition of the impurities of the aliovalent ions, and this aliovalent ions means the same elements having the two different oxidation states. For example, the vacancy through the aliovalent ions, suppose that the small amount of the strontium dichloride impurity SrCl2 impurities is added to the NaCl during the crystallization. The added Sr2 plus ions oxidation state is +2 occupy the sum of the regular sites of the Na plus host of the ions oxidation state is a +1. In this case, the Sr2 plus ions, their oxidation state is 2 and Na plus ions having the oxidation state is a +1. In order to maintain the electrical neutrality, every Sr2 plus ions removes 2 Na plus ions. Means there is a 1:2 proportion. One Sr2 plus ions is replaced by the 2 Na plus ions. One, the vacant lattice sites creates by the removal of the 2 Na plus ions is occupied 1 Sr2 plus ions. The other side of the Na plus ions remains vacant as shown in the figure. In this case, this site remains vacant, and this is the vacancy of the Na plus ions, because in this Na plus ions there is a Sr2 plus ions are added to this NaCl crystal. Next is the interstitial impurity defect. In this interstitial impurity defect, the impurity atoms occupy interstitial spaces of the lattice structure. In this case, the impurity of the atoms occupy interstitial space of lattice structure. For example, steel. Fe atoms occupies the normal lattice sites. In steel, there is a small amount of the carbon impurities added in a iron. Then this iron contains, there is at interstitial position carbon atoms are present, and this is a carbon atom shows the interstitial impurity defect. This is a carbon. This is also carbon, and this whole crystal is an iron. In this case, at interstitial position, there is a carbon is present, and this stainless steel is an example of interstitial impurity defect. Next and last classification of the point defect is non-stoichiometric defect. In this non-stoichiometric defect, the ratio of number of cations or number of anions becomes different from that indicates by its chemical formula. In this case, the ratio of number of cations or to the anions becomes different from the indicated by its chemical formula, or it does not contains the stoichiometry. Stoichiometry of the compound is changed or not same. It is important to note that the change in stoichiometry does not cause any change in the crystal structure. If the stoichiometric, this is a non-stoichiometric defect, there is a ratio of number of cations to the anions is different. This is not the same in this such a types of the crystal. This is important to note that the change in stoichiometry does not causes the change in the structure of the crystal, or the crystal structure is not changed in this stoichiometric defect. In this non-stoichiometric defect, there are two types of the non-stoichiometric defect. First, metal deficiency defect. In this metal deficiency defect, this defect is possible only in the compounds of the metals that show variable oxidation states. This defect is possible only when the metals having the variable oxidation states. In some crystals, the positive metal ions are missing from their original lattice sites. Therefore, the extra negative charge is balanced by the presence of cations, the same metal, with higher oxidation state than the missing cation. For example, meaning of this statement is that in this case the cation is missing, its oxidation state is different from that of the same atom or the same elements. For example, the compounds NiO, one Ni2 plus ion is missing, creating the vacancy as shown in this figure. This NiO, the Ni2 plus ions is missing from this position and creates the vacancy at the lattice site. The deficiency of two positive charges is made up of by the presence of two Ni3 plus ions, means the extra positive charge is increases on this Ni3 plus ions and also this Ni3 plus ions. At the other lattice sites, Ni2 plus ions as shown in this figure, and the composition of the NiO then becomes Ni 0.97 and O 1.0, and this is a metal deficiency defect. Deficiency means there is a requirement of the metal, but this shows there is a higher oxidation states. They can be maintained, their oxidation states in the same crystal having the increasing their oxidation states. Second is a metal excess defect. The first is a metal deficiency defect and second is a metal excess defect. In this metal excess defect, there are the two types. There are again two types. First, a neutral atom or extra positive ion occupies interstitial position. In this case, the neutral atom or extra positive ions occupies the interstitial position. For example, the zinc oxide present in two way of the metal excess defect. Zinc oxide. In this first case is zinc oxide lattice 1 neutral. The first case is a neutral zinc oxide. Then the zinc atom is present at the interstitial space as shown in the figure. The neutral atom, this is a zinc atom present at the interstitial place in the crystal. And in second case, the positive ions Zn2 plus ions present in the interstitial position of the crystal by removing two electrons at the interstitial position. These are the two electrons present at interstitial positions. In this case, ZnO, Zn2 plus 1 by 2 O2 plus 2 electrons. That is, 2 electrons are removed from this zinc neutral atom and form Zn2 plus ions with elimination of these 2 electrons. The excess of the Zn2 plus ions are trapped in the interstitial site in the lattice, and the electrons also diffuse in the crystal to occupy interstitial sites as shown in this figure. The last point of this metal excess defect, that is the non-stoichiometric defect. In this last type, by anion vacancies, the first is a neutral atom or the positive vacancies, and the second is by the anion vacancies. This type of the defect imparts color to the colorless crystal. Means when such a types of the crystals are heated, then changes their colors. For example, NaCl crystal is heated. In the atmosphere of the sodium vapor, the sodium atoms are deposited on the crystal surface. Then its color may be like yellow. The Cl- ions are diffused to the crystal surface, creating the vacancies at their regular sites. Cl- ions diffuse to the crystal surface, creating the vacancies at their regular sites. These Cl- ions combine with Na atoms so the surface to form NaCl by releasing electrons from sodium atom. In this case, the sodium NaCl crystal is heated in the atmosphere of the sodium. Then the sodium atom is deposited on the surface of the crystal by removing the Cl- ions. These Cl- ions diffuse to the crystal surface, creating the vacancies in their regular sites. These electrons or the Cl- ions combines with the sodium atom on the surface to form NaCl by removing the electron from the sodium atom. Example, in this case, the Na removes one electron and forms the Na plus ions. This Na plus and Cl- combines to form the NaCl by removing this sodium one electron, and this reaction is represented as this way. The anion vacant site occupied by the electrons are F centers or the color centers as shown in the figure. In this case, when the sodium atom deposited on the surface of the crystal, Then Cl minus ions are diffused on the crystal surface, creating the vacancies. And when this Cl minus ions combines with a sodium atom, it forms the sodium chloride by the removing of this electron, and this is a electron present in the crystal structure. This is the defect by anion vacancies. This is also called as a color or F centers. Today we are to see about Frankel defect, conditions for the formation of the Frankel defect, consequences of the Frankel defect, impurity defect, their classification, and vacancy non-stoichiometric defect and their classifications. This classification of the defect is important for the state board as well as the NEET, JEE, etc. Okay, thank you.